big breaking news is out in this video. There is graduate engineer trainee role direct test opportunity, and the thing is Bit Squad software engineer hiring is announced, but today is the last date. But there is shortlisting. How you will get to see the shortlisting, you will never get to know. So please watch video till end, because I am going to tell you exact way how to get the shortlisting mail. The thing is, in this video there is a 4 bulk opportunity, and for all opportunity is very mandatory to apply for all students, because multiple batches degrees is eligible. So please watch video till end, because some batches is not mentioned in some websites. So please watch video till end. The graduate engineer trainee role is announced, which is mass hiring is going on for Chennai location. If you scroll down, this is a fintech organization based in Chennai. Just scroll down and check. Looking for engineering grads with 0 to 1 year of experience, probably BE, BTech, computer science grads, 24-25 only batches eligible. Now what you have to do, जैसा बोल रहा हूँ वैसा करो कि 1 घंटा पैसा स्किल सेक्शन बनाओ and put all these domain with exact like this with bullet points, and come upward and let's check the domain which is related to IT domain, like complete as many IT certification if you have. You can put SDLC, agile methodology, anyone programming, ठीक है, and Microsoft Office suits all applications like Excel, PowerPoint, Word, troubleshooting, testing, documentation. These are technical support domains. You can easily put database, ठीक है, सीनियर इंजीनियर्स के साथ वर्क करना और वगैरह बहुत सारी चीज़ें यहाँ पे जो कि फुल टेक सपोर्ट रिलेटेड है. बिकॉज यू आर अ ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी रोल, देन दे विल गिव यू द वर्क ऑफ अ सपोर्ट इंजीनियर, देन यू विल गेट टू see the software engineer or other role. So what you have to do, just read all these responsibilities and put all these knowledge and skills points on your resume, and please first update your resume, then apply it. Otherwise you will never get to see the shortlisting mail, because if you see only required star where is written these are required, and resume is required because there is shortlisting. Otherwise if you see only they are taking these things and nothing else. Just you have to submit your resume. On the basis of resume they will review your resume, and if there is these domain which is written in your resume, then they will give you the shortlisting mail or round 1 mail, because this is official hiring for 24-25 batch. So if you are skipping this hiring, then you are doing a great mistake, because grad trainee role होने वाला है और ये बहुत बड़ी mass hiring होने वाली है. Please apply for this opportunity as soon as possible. Next hiring coming from big company Ample Logic, and this is 25-26 batch student BTech and mechanical and civil stream is eligible, also eligible, because there is written excluding. It means yes, IT, computer science, data science, even mechanical civil is eligible. .NET developer intern is going on. .NET C# Angular is compulsory. Hyderabad location is there. Interested candidate can share their resume at this email. This is the HR email. You can directly send your updated resume on this email, but you have to put communication, interpersonal skills, and these domain which is related to .NET developer, and do one thing, that put two project of .NET, Angular and C#. So this will give you the shortlisting mail. Please apply it as soon as possible. This is mass hiring all for freshers, and 25-26 batch is eligible. BE, BTech is eligible. Apply it as soon as possible. So finally I am talking about Bit Squad. अब यहाँ पे अच्छे समझने की होने क्या वाला है. There's a 3 role: automation manual, QA role, power platform developer, dynamic 365 developer. BTech, MTech, BC, MC is eligible. Even BE is also eligible. CSIT electronic AI is eligible. Selection process will be there: round 1 online assessment, round 2 on-site interview is there. The thing is, you have to click on this link. After clicking on this will appear, and this is the last date. Today is the last date, and click on start now as soon as possible. Give your personal details, and already told you if you are applying for QA, click only on QA, state, city you have to give. यहाँ पे सिर्फ इतनी चीज़ें मांगी नहीं है, और भी चीज़ें हैं. लाइक इफ़ यू फिल दिस फॉर्म, तो यहाँ और भी यहाँ पे फील्ड आएगी, वो फिल करनी है. बट ध्यान रखना है कि अपडेटेड रेज्यूमे होना ज़रूरी है. इफ़ दे आर नॉट टेकिंग द रेज्यूमे, देन अंडरस्टैंड वन थिंग, यू हैव टू फॉलो द क्राइटेरिया. इफ़ यू आर फॉलोइंग द क्राइटेरिया, देन दिस विल गिव यू द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट मेल, देन ऑन साइट इंटरव्यू, देन ऑफर लेटर. बट इफ़ दे आर taking the resume, then update your resume updating resume is compulsory, because in an interview, suppose they are not taking a resume while applying, and they are sending the online assessment on the basis of eligibility criteria. But after but after clearing this assessment they will see your resume or do the resume shortlisting in an interview. If this domain is written, then this will give you the shortlisting mail in an interview, and after that you will receive the offer letter. So click on this link, apply it as soon as possible, fill this form as soon as possible, update your resume. Bits Squad is not normal company. This is a big company giving you the 5 to 6 LPA very easily. So please apply for these opportunities. Last hiring, My Career Net announced a Code to Cure hackathon, which is direct test hiring 0 to 12 year of experience. Bangalore location is there. Salary भी बहुत high है इसकी. Last date is 12th March. Already many candidates registered, and if you scroll down, computer science, IT, all grades is eligible. Open to junior, mid-level, senior software professional. Means fresher up to जितने भी सीनियर लेवल के सब एलिजिबल हैं. जावा एंगुलर इज कंपलसरी. स्ट्रॉन्ग कम्युनिकेशन इन दीज इंटरपर्सनल स्किल्स इज कंपलसरी. एंड इफ यू स्क्रॉल डाउन रजिस्ट्रेशन प्रोसेस, यू हैव टू रजिस्टर. You will invite to attend an online assessment, then you have to complete the assessment and your profile, this will contact you next. ठीक है, तो ये 90 मिनट का होने वाला है. Solution based assessment designed to evaluate practical problem solving or coding skill will be there. Topic will be covered Java Angular, 90 minutes of the duration of the test. Then if you're having any query, you can easily check, because this is a remote online challenge and you don't need to pay anything. If you're having any query while giving the assessment, you can complain on that email, and you have to first click on register now as soon as possible. Click it and give live assessment, which is live, क्योंकि ये एंड हो जाएगा भाई मार्च को. ठीक है, अभी लाइव है. अभी जैसे ही रजिस्टर करोगे, आफ्टर दैट यू विल सी द असेसमेंट स्टार्ट बटन आफ्टर रजिस्ट्रेशन, because test is live and test will end on March 12, 2026. So please give assessment as soon as possible. Just register it and as soon as possible give your assessment. So this is the big hiring for entry level. If you know Java Angular, you can easily crack this if as a fresher, because as a fresher this will be easy for you. ठीक है, जो कोडिंग होंगे वो फ्रेशर लेवल के होंगे. सो डोंट वरी, फिल दिस फॉर्म एज सून एज पॉसिबल एंड गिव द एक्यूरेट डिटेल दैट दे विल कंसीडर यू फ्रेशर, बिकॉज इफ यू क्लिक ऑन फ्रेशर द ऑनलाइन असेसमेंट विल बी सिंपल, द कोडिंग क्वेश्चन विल बी सिंपल फॉर यू. ठीक है, तो ये चीज़ का ध्यान रखना कि ये नहीं कि पैकेज के चक्कर में तुम यहाँ पे मिड लेवल कर दो कि 6 मंथ का एक्सपीरियंस है तो मिड लेवल कर दिया. ना, इफ यू इवन 6 मंथ एक्सपीरियंस यू आर अ फ्रेशर. क्लिक ऑन फ्रेशर, टेक द असेसमेंट, कंप्लीट इट एज सून एज पॉसिबल. दिस इज डायरेक्ट मास अपॉर्चुनिटी, डायरेक्ट टेस्ट हायरिंग. सो ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू बिट स्क्वाड बिग हायरिंग एंड दिस एम्पेल लॉजिक एंड ग्रेजुएट इंजीनियर ट्रेनी रोल इन फिनटेक. So please apply it as soon as possible. Don't miss these opportunities, but you have to apply. But you have to update your resume for all. But you have to update your resume for all opportunities. And what I told you, just you can check that all batches, all degree, all type of role I told you. So please hit the like button. Do subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.